In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a copyright symbol on Google Docs. This process only takes a few minutes and is a simple yet essential skill to make your documents look more professional. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you normally use. Once you're there, head over to the search bar and type in Google Docs. Press Enter, and you'll see the Google Docs website pop up as one of the top results. Go ahead and click on that link, and it should take you straight to the Google Docs homepage. If you're not already logged in, now's the time to do so. Just enter your usual Google account credentials and hit the Sign In button. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be presented with either a list of your recent documents or the option to create a new one. From here, navigate to the document where you wish to insert the copyright symbol, or you can choose to create a new document for practice. Now that you have your document open, you need to pinpoint the exact spot where you want the copyright symbol to appear. Place your cursor right there. This might be at the bottom of a page if you're adding it to a footer, or next to text where you're discussing creative works or intellectual property. With your cursor in place, glance up at the top of your screen and you'll see a menu bar. Click on the Insert tab, which will open a drop-down menu of options. From this list, select Special Characters. Clicking this will prompt a pop-up window to appear, presenting various symbols and unique characters you can insert into your document. Within this pop-up window, you'll notice a search box on the right side. This feature allows you to easily find the character you're looking for without scrolling through endless options. Simply type copyright into the search box. As you type, the search results will filter down until you see the familiar copyright symbol, which is a circle with a capital C inside. When you spot the copyright symbol, click on it. Instantly, it'll be inserted into your document exactly where your cursor was positioned. And just like that, you've successfully added a professional touch to your document. Whether you're protecting your own original work or citing someone else's, including a copyright symbol is a thoughtful way to ensure credit is given where it's due. Remember, knowing how to efficiently use tools like this can streamline your editing process and make you look like a pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.